I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is the recently appointed Managing Director of Aruma Resources, Grant Ferguson. Grant, it's great to meet you. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you very much, and I hope you are too.
Grant, can you tell us about the recent work, such as historical drilling and sampling, that has increased your confidence over at your Fiery Creek project?
Well, sure. Look, recent activities in the last quarter include doing field reconnaissance, rock chip sampling, gravity survey, and also an IP, induced polarization survey. And that information has been fed back, and we've put out a few press releases with some very significant and exciting results late last year. And as of yesterday, we put out the results of the gravity survey, which further strengthens our confidence in the particularly the Piper prospect, and with the gravity for the Fiery Creek and the Eagle prospects, it's continuing to further enhance our geological understanding.
Piper certainly sounds like an exciting target. Are you able to explain what makes these gravity surveys and IP anomalies so compelling?
These gravity and IP surveys further enhance our understanding of the structure of the Piper prospect and also across the other emerging targets, the Eagle prospect and the Fiery Creek, which is a known area but required further work done. These particular techniques allow us to identify potential conductive horizons with the IP, and the gravity survey assists us to identify major structures and density contrasts between the rocks and potentially with structures as well. So it's allowing us to look deeper for these potential targets that we are seeking.
It seems that Aruma's got a lot happening now with Fiery Creek, the Piper prospect, and the Eagle prospect. With the new satellite imagery coming into play, what's the game plan for exploring this year?
So the game plan for 2025 is essentially further ground truthing of the information that we do highlight from these surveys that we've done. The satellite imagery, the hyperspectral, will allow us to further refine our targets with some knowledge of how the relationships are between the minerals and the structures. And what we will be doing is then going out, doing further field work. We'll be also doing some obtaining the correct approvals, and then the aim will be to be doing a RC drilling program in the second quarter of this year.
Congratulations on the research and development tax refund. How does this help Aruma move things forward?
So the R&D refund provides non-dilutionary capital for the company, which further enhances and allows us to conduct immediate exploration activities and obviously hit the ground running with an aggressive exploration program for this year.
It certainly sounds like there's going to be a lot of activity, especially going into Q2. What should investors keep their eye on coming out of Aruma for 2025?
Well, we actually didn't really take too much of a break at all, if any break, over the Christmas period, looking at all of our portfolio and identifying some pretty new targets and also a better understanding of existing targets. So we've got some aggressive plans to continue with the Fiery Creek, the Bortala project, which sits just next door to the Capricorn copper mine. The Salmon Gold project, we've been looking at that very in depth over the Christmas period with potential drill targets developing, and obviously our Saltwater project in Western Australia as well. So 2025 is going to be a very active year for Aruma with some fresh eyes from our team. And yeah, we're very excited about what potentially could be happening this year.
Thank you so much for being here today, Grant. There's certainly a lot going on with Aruma and the Fiery Creek project. I hope you jump back on soon to update us on the progress.
Thank you for having me.